Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to discuss about class 6th exercise 1.2 of Andra state board, and in this is our exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, whatever question is there, we will discuss in this video. So let's just start it. Okay, so this is our question number 1. Round off the flowing numbers to the nearest tens. Okay. Okay, so in this what will we do? So we have to round the numbers. We have to round the numbers nearest tens. Okay, which is the nearest tens, we have to round it. Okay, so this is our question number 1, and let's see the question number 1. So what is the nearest number, what is the nearest tens number of that? So if you count it, ones, tens, this is a tens only. And what is the nearest number of that? We know that the number which is you can count as visual as like 0 to the 4, you can go as a backward, you can go back, and if it will be 0 to 9, you can go forward. Okay, so this, if you see it, it is a 9, right? It is a 9. When you count tens, see the see the first unit. Okay, ones, tens, we tens is here only, and see the first unit, this is a 9. It's 9, it means going to be 90. 89, it will be the round number of 89 will be 90. Okay, so next question will be, see this next question, it say tell that we have to round the tens. Ones, tens, it's a tens. One is a tens place. See the which is the first unit of a tens. Okay, so it's a first, so it is a 5. We already know if it will be 5, then it's going to be round numbers, will go into the forward. So what will happen? It will be 4 15. It's going to be forward. It means what will happen? It will be 420, right? I hope you understand it. Now see these questions. We have to run tens. Ones, tens, it's a tens. See the first unit, it will be 1. So it will be 1, it will be backward, it's go backward. What will happen? What's the number will come? It's come 950, because it's 1 here. 0 to the 4, it become downwards, and 5 to the 9 is going to upwards. Okay, so right, if see the last question is for the one. Okay, so we have to round the numbers of tens. So ones, tens, it's tens. What is here? What's its number? 9. So what is the nearest number of 9? We can call it 059 is go to upward. Okay, so if going upward, what will happen here? It will be 4 4 10. Okay, it will be 4 4 10. I hope you understand it. Let's see the question number 2. So this is our question number 2, and let's see. So question number 2 tell that round off the flowing numbers to the nearest 100. We have to round the numbers which is nearest 100. Okay, so let's see. So this is our question number 1. Okay, so in this what will happen? Let's say we have to round the numbers which is nearest 100. So let's count ones, tens, 100. This is a 100. Okay, this is a 100. It's a 600, right? So see the 600 before its number. See that number. If it is 600, see that number. It is where it is. Suppose it will be 0 to the 4, you can go downwards. If it will be 5 to the 9, we go upwards, like so. It's a 100, right? 600, but we see that the tens place, which is like less number from that 100. Okay, so it's 9. See the 9 one. If you see the 9, is it where it's come? It is come between upwards. So what will happen? It will be 7. It will be 7. It's 69. It will be going to be here, but it will be 700. It will be 700. Okay, let's see in that. So ones, tens, 100. I see 100, right? 100, but we have to see 55. 5 is where is it? It is up or down. So it means we will put here 0. It means it going to be 6, and that's if it will 15, right? So what will happen if it will be there 5, like 5 is there, it is the above, you can go upwards, like so it become 200. Okay, so 100, it's 5 means above, so it will 1 will be changed in 2, it's 00. Okay, I hope you understand. So see the question number 3. Ones, tens, 100, it's a 600, right? And we have to see 4. And what will happen? If 4 where it is not downwards, it means it's changed into 00, right? So it will be 600. Okay, and now see the question number 4. In the question number 4, what will happen? Let's see. We have to nearest 100. Ones, tens, 100. It's a nearest 100, right? We have to see 1. 1 is where it is in that only, it's downwards, so it will be 93600. Okay, if listen, that's if it will be 5, it's going upward. Upward means the number 1 is here, 2 is here, that number will be changed. Okay, that will be number will be changed. Okay, so our exercise 1.2 question number 2 is also completed. Let's see the question number 3rd. Okay, so it's our question number 3. Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousand. We have to round the number which is nearest to the thousands number. Okay, let's see. So if you see that question number 1, let's count the thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is a 3000. So okay, this is a 3415. So first of all, we don't see the 3000. We don't see the this 3. We have to see the which is near to the 3000 is 4. If you see the 4, and one more things I told you already. So if 0 to the 4, it will downwards. So it's going to be downwards. If it will be 5 to the 9, it's going to be upwards, right? So actually it's a 4, it's coming to the 0 to the 4, it's going to downwards. That means it will be what its number will be 4. It means 0 0. Put it 0 0 0. All right, so I hope you understand it. Okay, so if let's see the question number 2nd. In second question we have to find a thousands number. Let's see. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is 1000 is 0, so we don't have to see the 1000. We have to see the which is the one digit of 1000, so nearer to the 1000, it's one digit back. Okay, so this is 1000, but we have to see this number where it's come 0 to the 1 only come, it means it's also become to 0. It's also going to be 0. So 7 0, it will be 0 0 0. Okay, so let's see question number 3rd. In question number 3rd we have to see 1000. So first count ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is a 8764. So we have to see that 7. So its 7 is coming where? It is coming in 5 and 9. Okay, it's coming in 5 or 9. So its number going to be above. So its number going to be above. So what will write? So 7 is there. So what will the 87? 87, what is the nearest number? 87, you can say is 90. So 90 is the nearest number of that, right? So 87, 7 means what? It's going to be 9 only. Okay, you can go, it's going to be forward. So 89, what will the number will be forward of that? 90 only. So that's 90 and that's 2032. Okay, so let's see the question number 4th. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is a 4000 and we have to see 0. So if it will be 0 here, it will be going to 0 only. So that's 0 0 0. Okay, so this is the round number of nearest hundred and thousands. I hope you understand it. Okay, if you didn't understand, just comment, I will explain you very easily. So there is not all the things which we have to do. Okay, so it's a very easy. If it is with 0 and 4, you have to just put 0 0. Otherwise, if it be ever 5 and 9, see the common number what will going to be next. If it is with 8, change it 9. Okay, how I do it? Just I know it's going to be one number forward. So if it is 8, I change it in 9. Okay, and now see here, if it will be 0, I already know that is going to be 0 only. Okay, so this way you can do it. So very easy for you, and I hope you understand it. Okay, let's see the question number 4. Okay guys, so this is our question number 4th. Okay, so let's see the question number 4th. What is tell us? So write the numbers in the short form. So this is our questions which is given in exercise 1.2 in the 4 questions, and we have to write it in the short form. So how will you write in this short form? So first of all, you have to understand this is in the expanded form, and we have to write in short form. So let's see, I explain you how it will be. So let's count it numbers. So start from here, and otherwise start from otherwise. You can see. Let's see this question. Okay, so if you start from here, so ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is how much? This is a 3000. I just written here 3000. So now see this question. This is a thousands, right? This is a 3000, and this is ones, tens, hundred. So it's a 100. What will come? 100, then after thousands. Okay, so that will be 4. I just written 4. Now this is a 1000. It's a 1000 and it's a 100, but where is it tens? There is a no tens number. If you see, this is a ones only, but tens is not given. So if tens is not given, if any number is not given, that if suppose, so what will you put? We will put the 0 on that. Here is tens is not given. Ones, tens, 100. This is 100, but tens is place is not given. Directly the ones place is given. So we have to put 0 and go to the, that's 1. 1 is 7 only. Okay, ones place what will 7. That's like that I written. So let's see question number 2. Question number 2, let's count it. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. This is a 10,000. Okay, so I just write here 10,000. How will I write it? Just see here. So I just write 1 here. Okay, now see this is a 10,000. I just written 10,000. Okay, and this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is a thousands. It's going to be a proper way, so I write 2. this is a ones tens hundred, this is a hundred already, so I already added 3, and this is a ones tens, this is a tens also, so I will write 5, and this is 1, so I can be put here 1. So this is a serial will count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. This is a 10,000. This is, if you count, how will you count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000? This is in a series. You can say it's going to be line by line. There is no any number is not given, not missing in that. Okay, so there is no number is missing. So this our answer will be this only. Okay. Let's see question number third. Question number third. Let's count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. It's a 10,000. I can write here 10,000. I just written here. And if you see after, if you count ones, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundred. But there is a hundred. Thousand is missing. This is a 10,000. Thousand is missing in that. In thousand, if thousand is missing, then what will we write? You will put 0. If any number is missing in that, we have to put 0. If I put 0, it will be over. It means be filled. Okay. So what will happen? 3,000 or 10,000 already written. If 1,000 is missing in that, I just put 0. Then after 100 is given already. 100 is there. We can put 5, and tens is also there. So you will write 2, and ones is also here. So you will write. So it will be completed. Right now, see this last question of that fourth. Okay. So count. This is ones. This is tens. This is 100. This is 1,000, and this is a 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is a 10,000. Okay. So if you see, it is in a proper way. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So we will write like this: 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. If you count ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is a 10,000, and this is a 999. Okay. It is in a it is in a form of a short form, and it is a short form. This question is expanded form, and we already we written in that short form. Okay. Exercise 1.2 question number 4 is totally completed, and we will see the last question, which is present in exercise 1.2. So let's see the question number 5. Okay, so this is our question number 5, and it is the last question of exercise 1.2. So let's see. So write the expanded form of the number. So we have to write this number in expanded form. In the previous, we already see that the question is given in expanded form. We have to write in short form. Right now it is a short form, and we have to write in expanded form. So let's see how will you write in expanded form. This is very easy. Okay, so in this, let's see, it's how we will write. So first, ones, tens, 100,000. This is 1,000. Okay, so don't count it, don't. Okay, so I just explain how it will be. So let's see, focus here, concentrate. Okay, so I just write 4 here. Okay, I write 4, and how much 0 after that? 1, 2, 3. I written 4 here already. I written here 4. After that 4, how many zeros? How many numbers it will be? 1, 2, 3. There is a 3 numbers. Put 3 0 here. Easily put 3 0. Then after, forgot this 4. We already written, so then forgot it. Then after, plus here. Now write this 3. I written here 3, and after that 3, how many numbers will be? How many digits it will be? 1, 2 digit. Put 2 0 here. Okay. See that 4. Okay, because 4 and 3 already is completed. What is left is 4. So let's see, I written 4 here, and after that 4, how many digits? 1 digit. Put 1 0, and plus. After this is 8 is left. 8 are written. After that 8, any digit here there? Any digit is here? It's not any digit here, so we will not write anything. That is the expanded form of that number. Okay, so let's see question number 2. So if you see the question number 2, this 3, I written 3. After, how many digits will be? 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 4 digit. I just put 4 0. 1, 2, 3, and 4 zeros. I will just give a plus symbols. Okay, so after that it will be 0. After that 0, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. So can we write 0 here? So don't think. If you want to be write 0, you can write. Otherwise, if you want to be right, or you can, if you write, and if you don't write, there is a doesn't matter. If you want to be right, write, and if you don't want to be right, don't write. Suppose it will be 0. I just put it 0. After that 1, 2, 3 numbers will be here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I already put it. Okay, but actually if you write not like this, if you write just like here also, I can explain you. 3, this will be, and put it here. Then after, what will this 2? I also write here 2, and I also write here 2. Okay, so after that what will happen? How many numbers? How many digits left? 1, 2, 2 zeros. Put here 2 zeros. Here also we have to put 2 zeros. Then after, 1 numbers. 1 number is here. After that there is 1, and I just explain you later. Let's see. So if I write like this is the three numbers I already here. Then after how many zeros? 1 2 3 4, already I put it. Then after 0 you can write 4 digits. After that 0, how many digits? 1 2 3, we can write like this. Otherwise you just don't put 0. If you put 0 or if you don't put 0, it doesn't matter. Okay, if you write like this or like this, both are correct only. Okay, so we have to write in this way. Okay, if it's 0, ignore the 0. If it is 0, just ignore it. After that there is no value of 0, so ignore it. Then after, see the 2 second. Okay, so I written 2. How many digits after that? 1 2 2 is, I put it 2 zeros. Okay, then after 1 I written. How many numbers digit is here? 1 digit, I just put it 0. And then after 4 there is no digit, so I didn't written here, so just 4. So you can write like this also and like this also, both are correct. But I just suggest you to write in this way, because this way is looking so expensive and it's looking something you can has something thin is looking. So write in this way. Okay, I hope you understand it. I just erase it. Okay, so this is also, you can write or not write, it doesn't matter. Okay, so if you understand it, so write with like this or like that. Okay, so let's see question number that. So I just put 0. How many numbers after that? 1 2 3. How many digits? 1 2 3 4 digits, I put it 4 0. Then after plus this 2. After that 2, how many digits? 1 2 3 digits, I put it 3 0. After that this 2, I written 2. How many digits? 1 2 digit, put 2 zeros. Then after that's 2. How many how many numbers in that? 1, so I just put it here 0. Okay, then after 2, because there is no digit, so you can't write, just like it's 2. Now see that question, it's a 75. Okay, so I written 7. Then after how many digits? 1 2 3 4 digits, so I write 4 zeros. Then plus this is 5, I written 5. Then after how many digits? 1 2 3 digits, I just put it 3. After that there is a 0, you can write 0 and after that 2 digits. Otherwise don't write. If it is 0, don't write, just ignore it, forgot, don't write it. Then after see here, 1 there is a 2, so write 2. How many zeros? 1. So what is there here? Left 5. Otherwise you can write like this, otherwise just write like this. Okay, how I explain you. These are 1 2 3 4 digits, write it 4 digits. Then after 5, 1 2 3. After that 0 is here, put 0. After that how many numbers? 1 2 numbers, so put it like this. Then after 20, then after 5. This both are same, because I didn't keep here 0. So then after all the numbers is available in that. Okay, so I just suggest you, which in this both are correct only. Don't think this is a right, this is wrong. Don't think this is right, this is wrong. Both are correct only. What they math means, it's a, how will you write 9? 6 plus 3 is also 9. Okay, and 5 plus 4 is also 9. So there is a different way, but it's going to be 9 only now, both. So like this, both rule is correct. Okay now, so don't think it's wrong, it's wrong. So both are correct only. So if you want to be write like this, right? If you want to be like this, but I suggest you to write in this way. Okay, this way. So both are correct only. So our exercise 1.2 is totally completed, and we will meet a next video with a new topic of exercise 1.3 and what is chapter in left. Okay, thank you for watching, and we will meet a new video. Have a nice day.